There is one major thing happened for blogging and writing articles globally in the AI era. That is the generative engine optimization. So now you've got to make your own article not only search engine optimized to Google, but also optimized for the AI search engines that make your own article more visible to users right now. Because AI search engines just take some snippets and rich snippets from your article and suggest your own article for users like on Google AI Mood Result or Perplexity or ChatGPT, Gemini, and so on. And of course, here you can make your own article search engine optimized and geo optimized. And of course, here AI search engine optimization means and focuses more on the well-structured article and the user intent. And of course, you can make your own article question-based content with beautiful structure and beautiful flow, packed with real examples and for sure high value for your own user. And that's why I just making my own ask to income tool, because if you want to make your own article question based content and focus more on the user intent, so you've got you write your own article based on this demand or this question people are asking everywhere on Google, social media, and so on. So if you refer to incomesify.com, here I just provide you with this amazing tool, Ask to Income, that converts people real demand to real income systems. Here on incomesify.com and Ask to Income tool, here just you can find some simple ways to generate high quality articles completely for free and very humanized article and search engine optimized as well as geo optimized. So here you can just pass through some steps like just select a beautiful and high demand niche from the database here, packed already in this amazing tool, Ask to Income. Then you can select a hot and trending topic here. Well, then you can find real questions extracted from Google. People are asking this trending topic and something like that as you want. So you can refer to the link down below, incomesify.com, and now go to this launch Ask to Income. Then you would land on this amazing tool, Ask to Income tool, turn real people demand into digital income systems. As I said earlier here, you can find it on Ask to Income tool, packed with a huge database of the people also ask questions in about 80 hot and highly demanded niches. So you can select something like anything you want. Like you can find a plethora of these niches like language learning, hiking, hairstyles, gaming, minimalism, blogging, digital marketing, leadership, motivation, women over 40, and so on and so forth. So then you can select anything you want, like men over 40. And here you can find hot and trending topics here, as you see, and for sure here for free users and for guest users. You can find some of these trending topics here, but you can find more and tens of these topics if you are upgrade later on and scale up. And then you can select your topic, and then you can find huge amounts of these questions. And it's and for sure it's up to you. As you see here in this niche, you can find more trending topics here as you see regarding men over 40. Or it's up to you to just answer here your main question you can get from any social media platform, any comment, or from even your imagination. And then you can use it's optional for you to get the hourly trending questions from social media, like from Reddit, from x.com, from Facebook groups, as you want to get your question to build up your income system, including for sure your viral weapon and your article. So I can insert here this question: how to defend against a knife attack. So for people who are interested in martial arts or like kung fu and kickboxing and so on. So just try this one, how to defend against knife attack, and then you can find here's this one, generate opportunity blueprint. So if you just make your own income system based on this question or this sub angle or sub niche, you can here find huge amounts of these opportunities and gaps to build your own income system based on this real demand people are asking regarding this topic and this question. So here you can find the content to cash asset pack, where you can find this one, the blog article, completely for free for you. Click over this one, and just in 50 seconds you can find a beautiful 2000 word article, humanized and search engine optimized and optimized for the AI search engines, and the pack those amazing images inserted directly to this beautiful article, like this one as you see. How to defend against a knife attack, as you observe here. This introduction, as a human writer here wrote this article, a beautiful image, copyright free, perfect, amazing paragraphs, headings, well structured here, humanized, and that enables AI search engines to get some snippets and some paragraphs in their outputs and their results, as you observe. Even better, here you can find the frequently asked questions here. Okay, perfect. And final thoughts, the conclusion, as you see. And for sure here you can get this article as a copy to your own medium.com or your blog post, or even if you have, or you can download and copy this PDF to just send it to your audience or your client if you are working as a freelancer or writing articles or blog writers. So in here you can find amazing article here ready for you and completely for free using Ask to Income tool. And for sure, just try another example like this one. How to grow my lats big in 2 months, as you see. And then you can find the same way here, a beautiful introduction as a human writer. Jot down here his thoughts, as you observe, as you see. So what you are waiting for, just you can head over to the link down below in the first comment and description box, incomesify.com, ask to income tool, and then you can find this huge system ready for you to make your own income system based on a real demand, a real user intent, and real frustration or real question to build your own income system. Just you can find your articles here, you can make your own carousel post and something, you can create your own digital products that you can use these articles as a landing page or as a placeholder to promote your digital products or affiliate products, as you see. And for sure, all of that you can find here on Ask to Income tool. So head over now to Ask to Income tool and you would be amazed and thank me later. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.